let's talk about list. In HTML, we have two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. Each item in the list is covered with a li tag. So, when using ordered list, this will be your output. The numbers will be assigned. While using unordered list, the result will be with bulletin points. They will be padded and aligned perfectly by the HTML. Now let's apply this to our. Before that, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now that I have a challenge for you now. Make a separate about.html and link the about.html to index.html. Now I have already made a separate page for about.html. Now let's click on read more. This is how it looks like. Now we have to do something to describe our facilities. So let's head over to our code and about.html. And let's say let's use number 1. We got free Wi-Fi. Number 2, we got a swimming pool. Number 3, a bedroom. Number 4, we got dining. And at last we got playground. What do you think it will look like? So let's save this and run it. Let's reload the page. Boom, it's all get cramped. What can we do? That's what we are gonna see in this tutorial. Now one may say that we can use line breaks in here. Okay, one may say we can use line breaks here. So let's try this everywhere. Then let's go to our output and reload our page. That's look good, but not good enough. HTML has a separate tag for list items. So first let's look into unordered list. So which doesn't have any order or number. It will simply be shown through bulletin points. So let's type li and I'm going to copy and paste it a couple more times. Now we have free Wi-Fi. We got bedroom. Dining. Swimming pool. Playground. And finally we got a gym model. Let's save this and head over to our output. Let's reload the page. It is aligned beautifully, and you can see the padding between the edge of a page and the list items. They are aligned perfectly in a row. This is what unordered list is. Now if we want some numbers in here instead of this bulletin points, we have to make it into an ordered list. Let's change this U into O. Now let's save this, head over to our browser. Now you can see HTML itself assigns a number for these elements. So now let's give them the same font. Let's give here the same font, and let's close a font in here. Now let's head over to our output and let's see how it looks. It looks quite good. We'll make it even more good when we apply CSS to it. So if you want, you can also add images in here.